So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to show you that how can you get a SSL certificate for your website for free. So what SSL certificate basically does is that it makes your website look secure. It adds HTTPS to your website, and like whenever any user visits your website, you first sees that is your website secure or not. So once you get a SSL certificate, your website will get secured. So I have already made a video on how can we get a free domain and free hosting for our website. So if you have not seen the video, you can go to the description. I'll put the link down over there. So now let me show you that how can we get a SSL certificate for free. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. So now as you can see that I have the full my connection is secure. Let me show you my SSL certificate, HTTPS. So now I will show you that how did I got the SSL certificate. So for that I will be using a free domain, a sample page, nepalshop.ml. So what you have to do is you have to go to Google and search for Cloudflare. So go to www.cloudflare.com. So you have to sign up, but I already have an account, so I will just log in, and you have to verify your account. There will be a mail on your Gmail and you have to verify your account. So I won't waste your time by seeing the how to create account. Just create, there is normal process. So from there click on add site, and from there just copy your domain name like nepalshop.ml. I'll just copy it and I'll come over here and I will paste it and remember that remove that HTTP and that all. Just keep the name. Okay, so sorry, let me add my site name again and click on add site, and from here select the free plan, $0 per month plan. So once you click on plan and click on confirm plan, from it may start scanning for DNS record. So now what you have to do is you have to go down and click on continue. So once you click on continue, now what you have to do is you have to change the name servers. So I have got a domain through Freenome, so I will be using Freenome. You can go to your domain website and change name servers from there. So now go to your website, manage domain, and from there go to management tools, and from there click on name servers, and you will get the name servers. So just copy the name server 1 and name server 2 and paste it over there. And just click on change name server. So now after that just click on verify, and after that you will get like this. So click on flexible, and from there click on save, and after that again you always use HTTPS, enable it, click on save, and just copy my screen. So now as you can see that it is saying replace with Cloudflare name servers. We have already done that. So now what you will do is go down and click on recheck. After you click on recheck, it will that it is now quiz to recheck. So after 30 minutes what you have to do is not after 30 minutes, just go to your admin account, and from there go on install plugins like website name /wp admin. You will go to there, and over there search Cloudflare and install Cloudflare plugin. So after you have installed Cloudflare plugin, just activate it. And I suggest you to delete that anti-spam one plugin. So now another plugin that you have to install is Really Simple SSL. Just install it and activate the plugin. So after you activate the plugin, you will see that detected possible errors. So what you will see that your connection is not secure yet. So now when I will go redirect to HTTPS, so what I will get is I will get a error message. So for that I need to wait 30 minutes. You can see that I am not able to access the website. So after 30 minutes or after 1 hour, what you have to do is again go to your now you will see that your connection is not fully certificate, not fully secure. So now again go to your admin web page, and from there you will see that go ahead and activate SSL. Click on that. Just you can see that it will just convert it. So go ahead and activate SSL. Click on it. Remember guys, you need to wait at least 1 hour to get this activate SSL one, and click on let me confirm it. So now as you can see that SSL is activated. Now let me check it for you. So now let me reload my page. So as you can see that I have got the HTTPS, and it is saying that your connection is secure, and you can also see my certificate from here. Certificate is valid. So guys, thanks for watching. Now if you want me to make a video on how to use Elementor on WordPress and optimize your website and make it look awesome, so if you want a video on that, please comment down below. I will surely upload it. And please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and comment down if you are having any issue. I will surely reply your comment.